guys, today I am in the airplane right now. I'm gonna go to Manila, and after that I'm gonna go to Malaysia. Let's go, but I cannot do that video for too many hours. I can't believe I'm actually in a plane. I haven't been in a plane for 4 years or 3 years, Mama.
For almost 4 years.
Almost 4 years. Oh my gosh, look how pale is my skin. Okay, I'm not in the seat where like the window is, but my sister is there. Right there. I'm literally in this seat. Hi, Daddy! Hi, Daddy!
Yeah, here, hola.
Can't believe I'm in the plane. I'm super happy. I'll see you guys when the plane is already lifting up. Okay, guys.
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Good morning, bound for Manila.
But I don't. We're not yet going to fly yet, but I think we're about to fly. What is that smoke coming out from over there? I know you cannot see it, but it's barely even visible. But it's coming out from over there. Is that close? Why does it look like Why does this look like a capsule? Oh, look! Also, look at this.
Papa, we're in the...
I'm gonna do my videos right here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do my videos right here. My papa can't go with us and we're gonna be gone from the Philippines for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Yeah, literal 2 weeks. But also my papa cannot come, so I guess he'll party in the house. Party in the house.
Okay.